The sum of the terms 20, comma 19 1 upon 3, comma 18 and 2 upon 3 dot of an AP is 300. Sum is 300. How many terms are there? First question. And second, explain why do we get two answers. Now see here. 20, 19 and 1 upon 3, comma 18 and 2 upon 3 dot sum is 300. Okay, find number of terms. Now see here. First we write A is equal to T1 is equal to 20. Then we write T2 is equal to, see here, 19 and 1 upon 3. 19 into 3. 19 into 3 means 57. 57 plus 1. 58 upon 3. Did you get it? Then first we find here common difference D. D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 58 upon 3 minus T1 means minus 20 upon 1 means 20. Therefore, D is equal to cross multiplication 1 into 58 means 58 minus 3 into 20 60 upon 3 into 1 means 3. Therefore, minus 2 upon 3. This is our common difference. Okay, we know A, D, then find N. We don't know N. Sn is equal to n upon 2. Therefore, here n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Did you get it? Therefore, as first we write here 300, na? 300 is given. 300 is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2 into what is a 20, okay, plus we don't know n minus 1 into d. Value of d is minus 2 upon 3. Did you get it? Therefore, we write here 300 is equal to n upon 2 into 40 here, plus into minus n into 2, 2n upon 3, minus into minus plus 2 into 1, 2 upon 3. Did you get it? Therefore, we write here, we take this 2 to the left side, okay. Therefore, left n in bracket 3 into 40, 3 into 40, 120 cross multiplication, okay, here. Or we equate denominators of all these, but 3 into 40, 120, okay, here both are positive, plus here 1, denominator 1 into 2, 2 upon 3, minus 2n upon 3, okay. Therefore, we write here 600 is equal to n bracket series 122 upon 3 See this. Here denominators are same. So we write this way. 122 minus 2n upon 3 denominator. Okay. Now this 3 we take here is equal to n into 122 means 122 n, and n into this n into minus 2n means minus 2n square. Therefore, see this, both these terms we take to the left side because this is negative, so we want n square positive. Okay, so we take minus 2n square to the left side. This is also to the left side, and this is already left side. 3 8 3 6 what is 18 is equal to 0. All these are divisible by 2. All these are divisible by 2. Dividing both sides by 2 means 2n square upon 2 means n square, minus 122n upon 2 means 2 6 and 2 1 are. Did you get it? Plus 2 9 18 and this 0, 2 zeros. Now we split this, plus 900. See here, we get quadratic equation, so we get two answers, two values of n, because what is the answer? Here we get quadratic equation, so we get two values of n. Two values of n. Did you get it? This is the answer. Now we split this. Okay. Then while splitting, first I will show you. See this, 90 into 10. No, 90 into 10. But we want 61. 61. So here 90 and 10. Okay, then we take 11 12 15 15 6 15 20 4 20 25, maybe 25 3 25 3 75 na 75 and 15 na 15 and 59 0 150 means 6. Okay, means this is our answer. Minus into minus plus. Okay, and minus 36 we write here n, here n square. Did you get it? Then this is our splitting, minus 36n minus 25n. Therefore n square minus 36n minus 25n plus 900 is equal to 0. Therefore n in bracket, n common. This is quadratic equation. See this, n common, n minus 36 in bracket. Okay, then same bracket I have told you many times while solving these quadratic equations. Now see this, n minus 36 here also. Now here plus n, and what is this? Minus 25n. So what is left? We have taken n here, then what is left? Minus 25. Did you get it this? Now here n minus 36 is common, then what is left? N minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore n minus 36 is equal to 0, or n minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to 36 or n is equal to 25. Did you get it? Then what is our question? See this question. Why do we get two answers? Why do we get two answers? We get two answers due to quadratic equation. Okay.